Welcome to my Holiday Home Tour 2021. I'm going to give you a brief glimpse into what it took to go from fall decor to Christmas decor. You'll see some sparkle and some shine, and of course, some DIYs. Stick around for a cozy home inspiration, and if you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Now come on into my home. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my Christmas home tour. So decorating for the holidays can be a real challenge and a real chore, but it is well worth it in the end once you get it done. And if you can enlist the help of friends and family, have a tree trimming party, invite your adult children, or if you have little kids, get them involved in the decorating process. And if you have little kids, don't try to be perfect. The years ahead, well, you will have plenty of time to be perfect. I have one subscriber, Joanne. Hi, Joanne. She had mentioned in one of the comments that she wished I could come over and help her trim her tree, and we would have a glass of wine, and I would really love that, Joanne. So, even though I can't do that with Joanne, she can definitely have a friend over to help with the decorating. You can see behind me my own version of Elf on the Shelf. My daughter does not like it. She said he's scary. I don't think he's scary. I think he's beautiful. So anyway, you'll have to let me know what you think in the comments about my idea of Elf on the Shelf. Also, I'm just gonna give you a brief glimpse of my coffee cocoa bar. It is going to be in next week's video. I will show you how I put that together. I'm really excited about how it came out, so I hope that you will check that out next week. But for now, let's get started with the tour. I don't know if you remember the little milk can DIY that I did earlier this year, and I created this little winter one. I took off my initial and the established date, and I put this little cricket sign on it, and it turned it into a beautiful Christmas milk can and all I did was I took out some of the summer white flowers and I added in some red and some pine and some eucalyptus, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love it, and I love my Cricut machine. It's my little Scentsy warmer that counts down to Christmas. This is my little snowman that I picked up from Christmas Joy this weekend, which is a little Christmas gift shop down in Chatham, and you will see that trip in my Christmas vlog. I'm doing my own countdown to Christmas vlog. That will come out on Christmas Eve, on Friday, Christmas Eve, and I hope that you will check that out. And I made the stocking for my grandson. I used my Cricut to iron on his name, and I picked up the stocking at Walmart. I think it's so pretty. So he's got his first stocking at his grandmother's house. And I always love these Amazon pillow covers. I got the buffalo check, the red buffalo check, and the gnomes last year, but they have so many to choose from. And I have my little Scentsy warmer with Mighty Pine melts, and it gives this room a Christmas tree scent. It's absolutely wonderful. This winter scene, this comes from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. And here's another one of those pillow covers from Amazon. And there's another one over here. They just are so wonderful to really do something quick and easy. And I have these 3 candles that are on remote, and I put them in this beautiful lantern that I picked up from Marshall's this year. And these candles are very inexpensive compared to the Luminara candles, and I got this set of 3 from Amazon, and they have a remote. You can do timer for different hours, or you can just turn them on and turn them off. I just use it to turn on and off whenever I feel like getting cozy. And they take 3 AAA batteries each. I love them. I will definitely link them below. And this is the mantle this year, and there's my version of Elf on the Shelf. But I think he's great. You'll have to let me know if you like him or you don't like him. White. These little wreaths, I picked these up. I picked up 5 of them, and I picked up the little white berries and the little wreaths from the Target dollar spot this year. They were only $3 each, and I think that they're gorgeous, and you can make them smaller to fit around your candles, and I think that they're excellent. And like I said, they were only $3 a piece, so you can definitely find some really pretty things. And all I did with the berries is I just tucked them in. See, I cut them off the stems, and then I just tuck them in to the wreath, and there you have it. Beautiful little wreath around my candles. I also have a little ribbon tucked back there with a little light vine. It's just a small little vine of lights that I got last year, and they are a battery, and it just gives a little sparkle and a little shine. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me for this holiday home tour. I so appreciate you being here. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I am so excited to see this channel grow. I am so thrilled with all of you, and I love your comments. Keep them coming. Share with me on my Facebook page. I love to see how you decorate your home, and I love to see all the people out there living their best lives. Don't forget to check in next Tuesday so that you can see my cocoa coffee bar. I hope you'll consider subscribing if you're new here, and I hope you'll hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everybody. Enjoy your holiday season. Bye for now.